So, doing this right now. And, yeah, I've been getting some nasty brake squeal because these clips here been riding right on the rotors, so maybe the rotors are just a bit too big or something. I don't know. But yeah, that started happening immediately after I had the more slabs replace them. So yeah. Fucking slabs. I'm not actually working on the truck yet, really. It's now I'm working on the truck. Ah, that's breakfast. Okay, back to work. Okay, still cruising along on this. And the old calipers, I think they put the wrong ones on or something, the clips. I don't know how well you're gonna see it on video, but it actually wore a groove into the rotors. Hey, yeah, you can see it right there. Wore a fucking groove into them. Jeez. And you can see with the new ones, the clip is not touching the rotor. The old ones were. Yeah. Yeah, see, there's an actual gap there. On the other ones, there was no gap. Fucking more slabs. So yeah, I took this scouring pad and hit the rotor with it. I definitely need new rotors. They're both warped, I think, and this one's actually got a little bit of a gouge into it right here. Must have been a rock or something that got caught in between the pad and it. I don't know, so might do just a little bit more scratching up on this one than I did on the other one. And then I'm still gonna eventually have to replace them very soon, but that won't be difficult. Even with the new calipers on it, they're easy to pull back off, and I don't even have to disconnect the brake line either for that, so that should be alright. Won't take very long. So, pulling the new pads out of the calipers and kind of doing a little bit of the same thing. What I do is take this same pad, take this, and I just go around the edges to knock off burrs and excess paint and stuff like that. So ass back on, and it's all scoured up. And I'm gonna do this and put the new caliper on this side. So, you gonna try to start this thing?
He's in it. Oh, it's in the run position. The battery's been on.
Oh.
I was trying to see where the clutch linkage ran. I need it for mine.
Oh.
Oh, I locked it.
That'll buff out.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't have kicked at it. Now there's a little bit of the fender missing.
traction. Two-wheel drive.
I think it's in two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive.
Oof.
Now what?
No.
Not that way.
No, not that way. I have nothing to hold on to, really.
It's okay, we're only in two-wheel drive.
Oh, okay. I am a disgruntled passenger.
Always go slow and easy over the trails.
Oh, bullshit.
What is going to be on the other side?
Why didn't you just run into the stump?
Because you have to care for your vehicle. That's what it's home.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the front shocks are gone.
Oh, okay. Did you just run over a stump?
Maybe.
Oh, okay.
I bounced my head off the roof.
Oof. Don't run into my truck.
We're just taking a scenic tour.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there's a hose there.
I think he just ran over the nozzle.
I think I missed it. I hope I missed it. I think I missed it.
Yeah, you missed it. All right.